briefly, I want to talk about time signatures. On the bar line, on the staff notation, this you see is the time signature. Like there you're seeing 4 here. This becomes twinkle, twinkle, little star. Something like that. So when you say common time, that means there are 4 quarter notes in each bar. Like here where you're seeing C, it means common time. There are 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the same as time signature of 4/4. So when you look at the time signature of 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 quarter notes. The higher this upper digit tells us there are 4. Then this one, quarter notes. 4 quarter notes in each bar. So when you look at this bar has 4 quarter notes. Even this one, because these 2 quavers are equivalent 1 quarter note. This is equivalent 1 quarter note. Then when you total up these 4 semiquavers, they also give you 1 quarter note and this 1 quarter note. So in brief here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes in each. So this becomes also 4 quarter notes in each bar. This is a minimum. It is equivalent to 2 quarter notes, and this one is also equivalent to 2 quarter notes. So in total, it is equivalent to 4 quarter notes, the whole bar. And this is a whole note. It is equivalent to 4 counts, which are equivalent to 4 quarter notes. So in brief, I just wanted to talk about the compound time signatures. The way you see simple time signatures are derived from the normal notes. Like here, an example of 2, 4. We have 2 quarter notes in each bar. So it comes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There are 2 quarter notes in each bar. The same thing when you go to the compound time signatures. There we had 2 quarter notes. Now here we have 2 dotted quarter notes. You can see this, 2 dotted quarter notes. Because of that, we have to write this one down as a time signature. We have 2 dotted quarter notes. We shall subdivide these dotted notes into the simplest, the next small note. So this dotted quarter note will give us 3 quavers, and this dotted crochet will also give us 3 quavers. So in total, the bar has 6 eighth notes. These are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this becomes 6 eighth notes. I hope we can see it clearly and you can understand what it means. I want us to take an example such that we understand well. For instance, the 6, 8 here, we have do, 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 mi, 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 re, 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 re. So, 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 fa, 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 re, 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 do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The speed can change. The tempo can change, and when the tempo changes, the rhythm may slightly change also. Well, we can have another example of this one. Do, 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 mi, 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 re, 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 re. So, 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 fa, 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 re, 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 do. Ta, 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 ta. So you see we have 6 quavers, 6 eighth notes in each bar. So this makes it a time signature of 6/8. ta 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want us to understand where the 5/8 time signature. It is our main focus today, that you should understand where 5/8 time signature. 5/8 time signature is a compound time signature. The same way we have a 6/8 here. 6/8 being derived from dotted crochet, dotted quarter knot. The 5/8 is derived from a crochet and a dotted crochet. So the first half has 2 quavers, the second half has 3 quavers. When you expand the crochet, it gives you 2 quavers. When you expand the crochet, a dotted crochet, it gives you 3 quavers. So it becomes 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. So it becomes 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3, equally spaced. So in simple terms, or in an example, we would take this 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. So it becomes do do mi 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 do do re 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 so so fa fa mi re re do 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 mi 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 do do re 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 so so fa fa mi re re do. It is a 5/8 time signature, and because we are basing on the quiver to count our beats in your head, even when you're sustaining, you should not lose the time. You should count the quavers in your head and know they have reached the number of quavers that should be in that note. For instance, do 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 mi 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 do do re 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 so so fa fa mi re re do. So we can also take this example. Do mi do re so fa mi re do do mi do re so fa mi re do. Then I want us to use an example of a song, like a simple common song, Alleluia Himbisa Mukama. This is a song in time signature 5/8. So we expect to have a drum as 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 ta te ta te ta ta te ta te ta ta te ta te ta. In each bar we are having 5 quavers that are equally spaced. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. So all the same as 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 3 ta te ta te ta. So in this case, if we use Alleluia Himbisa Mukama as our example, we can sing along and we say Alleluia, Alleluia, Alleluia. Himbisa Mukama iwe magara ganje. Alleluia, Alleluia, Alleluia. Himbisa Mukama iwe magara ganje. So it is ta te ta te ta 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 ta te ta te ta. That's the way the drum should be moving in that time signature of 5/8 as 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 quavers but equally spaced. Alleluia, Alleluia, Alleluia. Himbisa Mukama iwe magara ganje. Like that. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. Himbisa mukama iwe magara ganje.